Good day, everyone. You are welcome back to this page. So basically, I just want to put you through how to adjust your machine if it refuses to reel. When you want to retread and it's not working, you will lose the bolts, as you can see. Then you will just uh, adjust the rubber. You can see the rubber. So ideally, I think the rubber cuts. It cut. That's what made it to remove. But then we can still manage it tentatively. So just uh, remove it and replace it just the way I just did, and return it back. And make sure the when you are adjusting it, everything is in right places. Just you can see the way I'm adjusting mine. So yeah, just adjust it. And after you are done with that, you return the bolt to where it was removed from. Yeah, you can see, just return the bolt to where it was removed from. So when it replace it, tighten it very well. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, subscribe to the channel, and share.